So for this one, it's basically the same thing. I'm going to, wherever there's an x, I'm going to plug in a 4. Wherever there's a y, I'm going to plug in a -2. And then wherever there is a z, I'm going to plug in a 5. So remember we say, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Is there work that I could do inside the parentheses? Yes. I'm going to have to do this work first. So I have 4 plus -2. What does that become? 4 minus 2 is 2. Okay. Everything else stays the same, except over here I'm going to address this. What's -4 times 5? -20. Okay. So now what do I do? Well, are there any more parentheses that I can do work inside the parentheses? No. So now I'm going to move on to the exponents. Do I have exponents? Yes. So I'm going to say 2 squared, which is 4 minus 20. Start back over. Parentheses, no. Exponents, no. Multiplications, no. Division, no. Adding, no. Subtraction, yes. What's 4 minus 20? -16. Upside down triangle, right? So this is the answer, -16.